Good day, everyone. I am Kristalove Kabil, a third-year student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL alias syntax. If there's an existing database, just type show databases. So now we will use EmployeeDB. Just type use EmployeeDB. In employee database, there's an existing table which is employee. So now, these are the values under employee table. Now, we will use the alias syntax. Just type select employee full name from employee as alias employee. So now, here's the result. Employee full name it is one column. Another example. Select employee address from employee as alias address.